I have a question. What kind of grass seed should I use to plant for a nice healthy lawn?
One thing that we always recommend when someone is wondering about what is the best species or mixture for them to plant in their lawn, we always recommend planting a mixture. And part of that has to do with, we don't know what the environment is going to be like where they're planting their lawn. Some grass species and cultivars are going to do better in certain conditions than others. By planting a mixture, you can have a lawn that responds to the environment in which, where it's being planted. So where I'm kneeling right now, this is an unirrigated site planted with 90% tall fescue and 10% Kentucky bluegrass. Because it's unirrigated, mostly been tall fescue that is making up this turf stand right now. And we have an adjacent site that was planted with the exact same mixture, but is managed differently. It receives a little bit more nitrogen, and it's irrigated somewhat regularly as needed. As a result, we've effectively been selecting for Kentucky bluegrass because Kentucky bluegrass responds to more irrigation, a little bit more nitrogen fertilizer. So in that site, it's mostly dominated by Kentucky bluegrass. And there's a little bit of tall fescue, but that lawn had responded to how we were managing it. And that's why we recommend planting a mixture, is the lawn itself will tell you what grows best wherever it's going to prefer in those conditions.
Ask the Arboretum Experts has been brought to you by the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum in Chaska, dedicated to welcoming, informing, and inspiring all through outstanding displays, protected natural areas, horticultural research, and education.